Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia. These animals have large, powerful hind legs, large feet adapted for jumping, and long massive toes for balance, and a small head. The otter is a large animal with an elongated flexible body of a streamlined shape. The paws are short, with swimming webs, have 5 fingers. Peacock is a bird of a strong constitution. A small head is located on a long neck. The crest is small in size. The wings are short, the legs are high. A wonderful, beautiful tail is a distinctive feature of males. Elephants are the largest animal living on our planet. Elephants are the main characters of many legends and myths, as well as many other animals. Spiders are obligate predators, feeding primarily on insects or other small animals.